Hello everyone, today I will show you the best utilities in Sandstone on B-Site. I'm sure these will help you enjoy the video.
All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater. Let's have an adventure. Head in the clouds above my gravity center. Touch my neck and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts. Oh. Just take your breath away. I don't mind if there's not much to say. Sometimes the silence guides the mind to move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to raise the minute that my left hand meets your waist. And then I watch your face, put my finger on your tongue 'cause you love the taste, yeah. These hearts adore everyone the other beats hearts for. Inside the
Playing with or against good players helps you to improve. But how do I improve my gaming skills with good players? I don't want to affect my game stats. Well, listen, this is GTG Faceit, European Faceit with lovely community and server. I will drop the link to the server in description. Here you will join in lobby voice with 10 people. And there starts the game. A bot will choose 2 candidates as captains and they will pick their teammates one by one. Want to be insane? Team with your friend. No problem, you can make party and join the game with your friends as well. To make it even better, it is a prize pool. So, what are you waiting for? Join us. I hope these utilities helped you. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like. And don't forget write comment. Thanks for watching, goodbye.